Hi everyone, I'm back, and yeah, and this is I have a video that Eunice opened her gift, and she's just so super excited. Thank you so much, Ceci. And yeah, I have to mention this entry is from my dear friend Ceci. Yeah, she is one of my permanent member from my monthly kid group on YouTube. And yes, she just so super sweet. She sent my daughter Eunice so many lovely gift, and yeah, Eunice so super excited. And thank you so much, Ceci. Yeah, I love this teapot. Yeah, everything related with teapot and teacup, I just crazy about it. Thank you so much. And I have to show you again. I did show you the on the video that just now. Yeah, Eunice opened the gift, but anyway, I show you again. Thank you so much, Ceci. And this is super cute. And yeah, thank you so much, yeah, for taking your time, yeah, to send Eunice many gorgeous thing and make this for me, and made by Ceci. It is her name. Okay. And yeah, Ceci don't have a YouTube channel, and yeah, you should create the channel and share your project with us, Ceci. And yeah, this is yeah, I mentioned before to her, and she's about the fabric glue, and yeah, we couldn't get this fabric glue here, but yeah, thank you so much, Ceci. You are just so kind and send me so big bottle of this glue. I appreciate it. So yeah, now I open this. Is yeah, I asked her to send me the picture for snippet, but she didn't. She mentioned, yeah, I have to wait until the see the camera in person. And I just so super excited. Thank you so much, Ceci. And I just can't wait to see how you create this. And yeah, for the deadline, I will extend the deadline and for this challenge, because I believe some still have the entry coming on the way to me now, but I just worry, yeah, the time. Oh wow, oh yes, my goodness, you make something. Oh yeah, you this is your handmade box, right? But yeah, you make the size is different. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh yes, I just tell you, I just crazy about teapot. Even I have this, I believe I have this set. Yeah, oh my goodness, this is so super cute. And the size, yeah, we make this in different size, and I just love, yeah, this the different size that you create your own. And she used this kind of the like a PVC can I call it what kind, how to call this, yeah, PVC or whatever. Yeah, it's just super gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And removable. Oh yes. Look at this. This is so super cute. I love. Yeah, I believe this is from one of the kids, right? But I just love this one. I love everything related with teapot and teacup that I mentioned. Oh my goodness, you should use all these like a flat back like a rhinestone sticker to go around the camera, and the tops you also, yeah, follow the tutorial, and you use this to make the, this is the press button and the buckles here. This is so super pretty, and I just love it. Look at this. And the size, I just love this size. Yes, and she used a Velcro for the brochure. Oh my goodness! You stole my pictures. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is just so surprised. Yeah, this is just what the surprises. Yeah, I am so happy. Yeah, this is sorry, I am afraid my belief I have. This is my, no wonder you don't let me to see any sneak peek for this one. Yeah, this is my little Candy. Yeah, my little girl. And this is my husband. And Eunice and me. And yeah, my son. And oh my goodness. I still have 4 sons. Yeah, this is my younger son. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Ceci. This is just so surprised me. Yeah. Oh, what a surprise. I just printed this. I didn't want to throw it away to bake for space. Okay. Oh. Oh, you printed this too big, so yeah, you just give me this. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Ceci. And oh my goodness. This is just so, yeah, you surprised me about this one. And yes, the layered this paper inside. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Oh my goodness, it would really surprise me for this. Oh my goodness, I just love this one. And the size, yeah, and the teapot. Yeah, you just know me so well, Ceci. Thank you so much. And I just love it. And thank you so much for taking your time. I know you are very busy because I mentioned before you Ceci have her grandchildren is so adorable. And I always, when I saw her pictures, I just want to give her a bite. I just can't stand it, but yeah. And thank you so much, taking your time, to participate in this challenge and make this my favorite teapot and teacup and these surprise pictures. And I just love. Thank you so much, Ceci. I wanted this one match with this teapot and teacup, and I just appreciate for you even use. Oh, where's the bowl? Some things stick in somewhere. Oh, drop down here. I know you are super busy, but you just you spend your time to make all this to me. Then the happy meal for my little girl, and she just so super happy, and she has her own YouTube channel, and I will send you the link, Ceci, and you can stop by to her channel and watch her video. And she's so super happy and excited, and and me too. Look at this little teapot and teacup camera. And thank you so much, Ceci. I appreciate everything you sent to Eunice and your entry. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by. And and please take a look of the, if you are interested to participate into the challenge. They have 3 options for the giveaway. You can, I will pop the link below the description box. So still have enough time for you to for the entry, participate in, because I will extend the deadline to December, I believe it's December 15. I haven't announced the I haven't posted the video, but I intend to extend the deadline. Okay, thanks again for everyone, and thanks again for you, Ceci. I appreciate everything you did to Eunice, and she's so super happy. And thanks again, and